So Jenny over there, so I take picture of me and running for her right now. Follow back of me.
So right there's a winner. Alright, so
oh look at that! Hey! Oh look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I finally catch her. Jenny, where you get so much energy from?
From the genes and the DNA, my mother, my father, the whole family.
You just seem like you're always active, you're always happy. You ever get sad and vexed, you get vexed?
I don't stay vexed and I don't stay sad. I deal with it and I move on. It's my secret. I don't want the lines, I'm sure.
Yeah, look, a long time in the boat. Remember you're from karaoke days when we used to go around and something. Yeah, man, I look the same and still have it.
Thank you so much, but you look the same to Berry. You're doing well.
No, I'm put on a little weight.
No, you're just wearing new tie.
Oh, yeah, and all them something there. Some say I tried the Flairy just now.
The bad.
You think you're better than me?
Yes.
Alright, so hold on. So you think you can out them with the Flairy?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes.
Alright, so hold on, man. Hold on.
tell me what the
But come give up. No, you're too bad. You're too bad. Take care, I love you.
One more chance. Go. You have to go close to him, not me. Don't listen to them. Jesus crown. Cheers. Jesus.
Alright, so you know, say when Jamaican people want something, you can't ask feet without really asking feet. So I'm gonna just try my luck and see what I'm just know. Boy, boy, I'm so thirsty. I am dying for something to drink. I am dying of thirst. I wonder if anyone can help me. Oh, look at that. You something tell about Jamaican people, you can beg them without beg them. Just go next to them and complain. Alright, thank you very much. This one is the what? Which one is this?
Hive's fruit flavored fruit punch.
Okay, fruit punch. Alright, I'm gonna try it. If I look gravelicious, I'm beg for more.
No.
Okay, thank you. We're gonna just edit this and pretend say never 2 times she give me some juice. Alright. Thank you.
Give it to you hot like a sauna. Well, on the way to time, cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I've got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Oh Lord, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Bump up space and girl, I get the truth out. You know, waste of the girl, the empress out. But if you put out, I know you put this out. I got a remedy for making it issues out. I have to plan to become a god base out. And girl, if you want to be off, it land this out. And I lie when the need so speed of a test to my chest out. Well, on the way to time, cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. Nobody care when the bombs.
Alright, so there outside our Miss Birdie little booth there inside Expo Jamaica, and hopefully me see me can beg them and see me can get some freeness and something like that. Because me and Miss Birdie. Look how I feel good here, Miss. Oh Jesus Christ, me and Miss Birdie granddaughter.
Of course, grandniece, you know.
Oh, grandniece, all them something there.
But you know, she said me to send the love just
oh my gosh, just for me.
Just for you.
Oh my God, me love her and me love her. Me not like Miss Birdie. You see, Shelly and the rest of them can't compare to Birdie. Wait, tell me where I am. ATL.
You're at ATL, Appliance Traders Limited, the home of air conditioning units, the home of commercial equipment, the home of everything for your business.
All right, so what
home.
All right, so what product, what appliance you guys pushing right now? What kind of promotion, sales, anything you have right now, especially for Expo?
For Expo, we're promoting our domestic homemade, we call it, 2-burner open range. We have 2, 3, 4 burners available, and every kitchen should have one of this, whether you're doing a commercial operation or even a domestic sometimes, because this unit holds a very large stock pot, and you know every day you have to cook enough rice, enough dumpling.
When are we ready to do the cooking?
You don't know nothing about cooking, but the people who have kitchens must have one of those.
Big up Team Microwave.
Yes, I know. Big up Team Microwave for Dutty. Yeah.
on the day I to see man and all of a sudden. On the single?
Yes.
On the single, so that's Saturday, so I pray over the man them.
You see we are free of a man?
I see you there right, so I look on and I look at kind of somebody. And me, only supposed to look on.
Alright, well, for you now.
So anything about my body, out of 10, how much should I give my body?
My pussy are good now, there.
No, do me nice, how much out of 10?
Alright, you have nice legs.
Okay, so the legs alone win.
Yeah.
What about the gap teeth? You have a little thing, you do nothing feel?
I like it, the legs and the glass.
One to me. Hey, beautiful.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yes, I am. Okay, so I get through now. Hold on. All right, so who can I talk to? Oh, hi.
I watch your show, I love it. You do
So if you watch the show, say box cover.
box cover.
Okay, nice. What's your name?
Crystal.
All right, Crystal, big up. Yeah, you want to take care. Could you tell me what exactly is this that you have preparing right now?
Well, what we are preparing is a breadfruit flour fritter.
Oh, sorry. When you move around here, so I'm so sorry. Okay.
Flour fritter.
Okay.
It's a gluten-free flour.
Uh-huh.
We have no eggs and no baking powder in the mix. Just a seasoning. Scallion, thyme, black pepper, and little Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah, yeah.
Because what we're trying to do is give people healthy options.
Okay, because right about now everybody's going vegan, everybody's trying to, like reduce all of fat. Yeah.
Right. So we have three variants. We have sweet potato, cassava, and breadfruit.
Okay, show the sweet potato so people can see the packaging. Okay.
There's a sweet potato.
All right, nice. And then we have the cassava.
Yeah.
All right, so far, which one do you think is like the most popular one?
I think breadfruit,
Okay.
very.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people know the cassava, and sweet potato is very popular too.
All right. So how long something like this will take to prepare?
Instantly?
Oh, okay. So now we're gonna head over into National Indoors for some other section with the other booths and all them something there. Apparently the artistic section, so let me go check it out. Okay. Alright, just making my way around town. And look at that, look who's here. Rushy. Would you rather take a box to your face?
No.
Or somebody kick you on your foot?
Keep my palm of foot.
Oh wow, you know some me would prefer the box on my face and I keep on. Oh wow. That is wicked, you're evil, I can't believe you did that.
It's a chemistry booth.
That's what you call box cover.
That's what you call chemistry.
You don't understand them put a ramp in here and them not have nothing for the people them go upstairs. So they put it right there so and nothing for them actually come in.
You know, buy them from the farmer's market.
You know say I don't cook. You know say I don't cook.
I know say I don't cook, but still.
Oh sorry, I'm so sorry.
Taking a picture to what's here?
Oh you want to you walk, okay. So you go out walk me, I see a nice Monday morning walk. Alright, yeah. The breeze is nice though, Jesus. Okay. You can't see where you're going and say you'll drop on somebody, see. I'm going to fight. Why you dodge? Why you hiding? Who you tell saying not work? Alright, so we're going right here, so.
This is the Victoria Farm booth, is under the Spanish grain store, and we have samples today: barbecue pigtail, salt mackerel ceviche, and salt beef pasta. And all of those items we have here on sale for only $500 a pack, but if you buy two, you get one for free.
So what me can get for free? We can sample anything here for free?
Sure, anything for free, as long as you buy one pack of those items.
You must buy one pack, you believe so we're going to buy it?
Excuse me?
It's supposed to buy it and it tastes good. You promise me say it tastes good?
Promise 100%.
You put your life on the line for it?
Put my life on the line. My life, my mother, my auntie, sister, brother, everybody on the line.
No, you're worse than the people that take the bullet for alcohol, windows and doors. I'm going to try. I'm going to try. I'm going to show you what they have. Mackerel, beef. I think I'm going to try the beef.
Salt beef pasta, barbecue pigtail, and salt mackerel ceviche. Sure.
Alright, so show it to me. Alright, so we're going to try that. Can try that? Alright.
Manufacturing, PMD, name the blue soap, distributed by Pioneer Manufacturing. What is the name of the blue soap from PMD? Everybody knows that. What is the name of the blue soap? Come get the gift basket. We're not taking it back to the office. Yeah. Sorry. Peter Morgan. See ID. Your name, serial number, passport, birth certificate. Birth certificate. Hello.
Okay, some of the inside indoors this now. I'm at the Young Entrepreneurs Association. So what is this association all about?
Hi, Dutty Berry. The Young Entrepreneurs Association is about entrepreneurship. We promote the spirit of entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship amongst our members. So as you can see here on display, these are some of our individual member services that we offer. So we lobby government. We speak on topics monthly at our monthly meeting at 2A Ruthven Road on topics relevant to entrepreneurship. We bounce ideas off each other and work together to make our dream work.
Okay, so like you're ready for Miss World, man. You have your answer them pack, you know, miss no beat, everything smooth. Alright, so what kind of businesses that, you know, the entrepreneurs have so far?
Well, we have Hope Same Day Loan that offers loans and chauffeur services.
Yeah.
We have complete accident support that offer legal funding and support services to accident victims. So if you're injured in any kind of accident, we help you to get compensation.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
We have taxi traveler service. They're located in Portmore for all your transportation needs. You can look them up on Facebook and social media as well. We have Glad Helpers. So if you feel like you don't want to clean the house,
that is my life, yes.
Yes, you just call Glad Helpers and they do everything for you.
Some serious score.
Yes, spick and span.
Okay, that's nice.
You have LTech Carpet Services that deal with cleaning off your rugs, your sofas, your car interior. So it's almost like a one-stop shop at the Young Entrepreneurs Association. We have urban orchids.
Okay.
And for all your lovely flowers, they don't die.
Yeah.
Not a lot of work.
Alright, so if I get the feature, but if you never get the feature, would I get custom box in our face after this? Okay.
So we are the entrepreneurs and we're located at 2A Ruthven Road. And we'll be discussing real estate this month, Thursday, which is our fourth Thursday, at 6 p.m. It's 2A Ruthven Road at 6 p.m. at the Jamaica Employees Federation building.
Okay, so if me want to be a part of the association, I can just go join too.
Yes. And I'm going to take your information over there, so don't feel like you're getting off because you're an entrepreneur yourself.
Okay.
I'm looking forward for you to put your information there so we can get in contact with you and help you to grow your business, make it international, who knows.
So box cover before you leave.
Box cover.
Alright, nice. Oh, you want a stronger box cover? Yeah, man, I want the three. I want to say a box cover. A nice independent woman box cover. After three, I want to see the and them go so like you liquid the poor more mosquito them. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Box cover.
Alright, nice.